Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you my own Sonic the Hedgehog Boom gameplay. Okay, so let's go just to making level 2. So I would go make level 1. Okay, wait. So as you can see, I have put some blocks to what everyone would be seeing in this. So let's start with the game. Wait, just gonna go here, and that one. See, it goes Sonic the Hedgehog 2006. Just gonna make that circle bigger. Okay. So now we're gonna play level 2. Okay? So this is wait, I'm just gonna put this down over here, and I'm just gonna put the characters. So here is Tails. This is Sonic, the guy that we saw earlier over here. This guy. He's back again, and I made him look a little better than last time. That was bad. And this is the enemy. His name is Sonic EXE. And all of this blood you can see, this red is blood. And this is a Chaos Emerald that gives all of these characters power. The name of this is called Sonic Boom. And here is Knuckles. Okay, he's all white. This guy, this blue one over here. Okay, so let's go on with the game. I ran up the hill. Knuckles, no! He died. Okay, Knuckles, the Echidna died. Wait. You know, if my character died, I would just go down here and I'll go find Knuckles, and I would press this X, so he's gone. Yeah! Yes! You scratched me! Hit! Yeah! Charge! Take that, Sonic EXE! Oh no! The Chaos Emeralds, they fell out! Oh no! I would get ya. Yes! I'm Super Sonic Boom. I can fly! Yeah! And here's Tails. I'll pick you up and throw him. And also, I will destroy you. Okay. Hey, we did it, Sonic. I'm not flying anymore. Oof. And we saved the KSM of Sonic the Hedgehog Boom. Sonic Boom, I don't know yet. Sonic Hedgehog Boom. Yes, let's run. And we finished the level. Hope you had a nice time watching my video of making my own game, and bye.